It's about as classic of a British sports car as they come, the legendary TR6, the mainstay of British motoring for the past 50 years. As popular as they are in the UK, they were massively popular in the US, where their British charm made them a favourite of thrill-seeking drivers. Back home, that sentiment was widely shared, as the TR6 would go on to be classed as one of the best and most affordable sports cars. This one, our 1974 Triumph TR6, is a beautiful example of this. Finished in damson red with a classic black interior, our TR6 is as good looking as it is sporty. Time to set course for adventure and take the long way home. Head over to the Bridge Classic Cars competitions website and enter now for your chance to win.